This Craftsman Versastack 230-piece socket set gives a home garage or professional bay a remarkably complete spread of sockets, wrenches, and bits in one organized kit. The 1/4-inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive ratchets use a fine-tooth mechanism that feels smooth in the hand and allows small movements when you are wedged against an engine block or frame rail. The low-profile ratchet heads are noticeably slimmer than older Craftsman designs, so you can actually get onto fasteners that sit deep in cramped engine bays or under dash panels. The 3-drawer case feels sturdy, slides open cleanly, and keeps everything laid out in a way that makes it easy to see what is missing at a glance. The one-handed locking dial and removable drawers make it practical to carry the set around a vehicle, park a drawer on top of the box, and still trust that tools will not spill everywhere. Because the case ties into the Versastack system and the hand tools carry a lifetime backing, this set works well as the core of a long-term expandable tool setup.